Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this makeup tutorial, I'm going to show you a sparkly eye look using very warm tones and just a touch of sparkle on the eyelid. Also, I won't be using any fake lashes, so this makes the eye look a little bit more neutral. Now, the first thing I did was using this Mud Masky eye cream, which is actually an eye serum, but I like to use it as my eye cream because it has a really nice texture. I also mentioned in one of my previous videos, I use my eyelids a lot, so I'm trying to take a little bit extra care of my eyes. So then I went in with this beautiful palette from Colourpop, and I'm gonna start with this light orangey color using a Sigma Beauty E40 brush, and I'm gonna start blending this all the way in my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner. Underneath my eyes you can see an eyeshadow guard. You don't necessarily have to use this. You can also use some regular like sticky tape that you have at home. But what this is gonna do, it's gonna create a super sharp edge as soon as I remove the eyeshadow guard. So this is really helpful. But if you don't have it, you can also use like regular sticky tape, or you could even use your credit card underneath your eye. But the thing is that you have to hold it all the time, which is a little bit annoying. Then after blending that orangey color, I went in with this more like shimmery color. And I'm going to use this all over the eyelid. You can also use your finger, which will give a little bit more color payoff. Just do what works best for you. Then I used a clean blending brush, blended along the crease to make sure that there's no like shimmery eyeshadow in my crease. And then I went in with this dark brown color and started blending this along the lash line. So this is where the eyeshadow guard also comes in really handy, because you can kind of lean your brush on top of the eyeshadow guard and then also kind of in the middle on top of the eyelid. So you're just kind of blending it along, and then this is gonna create a super nice smudgy effect, especially when you remove the eyeshadow guard. You can really see like the effect that it gives. So I just keep adding product and kept blending. Then I also used a little bit of this color in the center of the eyelid because I felt like it matched a little bit better with the glitter that I'm going to use. So just using my finger and applying this on top of the eyelid. And then I went in with this gorgeous glitter from Certify. I will link the color that I used in the description bar. And to apply this, I used a regular blending brush, used a little bit of like glitter glue on it, then dipped my brush into the glitter and then directly applied it on top of my eyelid. Then I removed the eyeshadow guard, and you can see it now kind of gives the illusion that I have kind of like a smudgy winged liner effect going on. Then I went back in with that dark brown color and used this underneath the lower lash line as well, also trying to connect with the darkness of that smudgy wing liner to kind of connect the lower lash line with the upper lash line situation. Then I used the colors that I used earlier for my crease, that light orangey shade, and blended this all the way underneath the lower lash line to make it more warm toned and more smudged out. And I just kept adding product and just continued to blend until I was satisfied with how everything was looking. Then now in my waterline, I also want to use, we're not with the waterline yet. I also used a little bit of that orangey color that I used at the beginning on the eyelid, also a little bit underneath the lower lash line with a tiny pencil brush. Then after that, I went in with this pencil from Makeup by Mario, which is the soft brown pencil, one of my favorites. I use it in a lot of my videos, super nice. Then I used a eyelash curler from MAC Cosmetics. And after this, I used the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, which is one of my personal favorite mascaras. It just works really well for my lashes. Even though I don't really like my natural lashes, I feel like they're really short and I don't know, I'm just not a big fan of it. But for today's video, I just wanted to do only mascara to keep this eye look a little bit more on the soft side. Of course, you can top it off with some fake lashes if you want to. But yeah, this is the finished result. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you're gonna try it out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. And hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!
Even if you try, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you think